Hey, this is Alex. I'm visiting here in San Diego, California. Bro, how did you make this reality happen for yourself? Look at his awesome view.
It's been a vision. I think our vision is literally one of the most powerful things that we get to develop as a human, because when we're tapping into our vision and really create something that we don't have yet, it's all around vision. And so if we don't have a vision and if we're not clear on what we want to create, I feel like so oftentimes we're just meandering throughout life. And a quote from Helen Keller that I really love is the only thing worse than not having sight or not being able to see is having sight and not having a vision.
I love
and so
it.
really being able to be clear on what you want to create in this world, literally one of the most impactful things that you can develop as a human being. So this is all, this has been a dream of mine, to live, in a place like this and be making a big impact and to spend time with people who I fucking care about and I love so much. It's been a dream, and dreams don't happen without us actually being able to dream it first.
Love it.
Yeah.
Check this out. Alex is an amazing friend of mine that I trained with in San Diego 7 years ago, and we learned so much about creation from one of our mentors who took us both in. And he is such an advocate of shamanism and how it can help us to expand our vision and what we see for ourselves in our lives so that we can create that in the physical world. And it's incredible. Look what he's done with that all. So I'm sitting here in traffic on a Tuesday afternoon, and this is why it's so important for us to learn how to become masters of our time, because so many of us drive through traffic and it's such a waste of our time. And this is why I make these videos, to teach us the power that we have to create the life that we want, so we don't have to sit in traffic.
Very safe and clean while we journey.
We got a unicorn neon. We got a unicorn neon.
You don't even know what's happening right here.
No way.
Dude.
Whoa.
This is it. This is why it needed to happen.
This is why it needed to happen.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Wow. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, there's so many.
Yeah.
There's so many crystals.
The Buddhas and crystals. This is all it is Buddhas and crystals. It's amazing.
We manifested this place just on Airbnb for having a ceremony.
I thought it was my fault because I left the car in the parking spot when the...
Look at the bathroom.
Yeah.
There's a crystal with organite in the bathroom. In the bathroom.
Oh my god.
Wow.
This is official right
Man,
here.
this was made for us.
This was absolutely
manifested
designed.
This was never
for
here
this
till
ceremony.
we
Till we
created it.
wanted it.
100%.
I love that. I love that.
We made this happen.
We just manifested this.
Trinity goes, hey, why don't you go on the computer and see if you can find anything? I was like,
Here we go.
Crystal Ranch?
Lead. What's back here? Oh, that's probably to their house, huh?
I love
more
that.
crystals in
This is
here.
so
Bro, do you guys remember
crazy.
Gabe?
Hey guys, hey internet. We're back
did
together again 1 year late. Exactly 1 year ago today, we were in Guatemala
For what?
to create the awesome video that we made.
Yeah,
We had no idea
Yeah.
at the time.
Check those out in the channel. But what are we doing today?
We're having ceremony with this legend right here. This myth, a niche, and we're gonna talk about some cool stuff.
We're gonna make some awesome things happen for the world. This is hilariously awesome.
The crystal
I want it so.
Crystal Ranch where the vibes are high.
This is it! We fucking manifested this straight up! What the fuck?
That's magic. That's some magic.
Which just has like the unlimited snacks.
Hemp flour. They want us to eat hemp flour. Like 18 bro. There's bud in here, man. Dude, with rolling paper.
I was wondering that you should fix them.
This is the best. I can't believe I'm here right now. I cannot believe this right now. This is fucking insane. This is not happening.
This is your first Airbnb experience. What a fucking epic Airbnb experience.
Wow.
There's bud in the gift basket with rolling papers.
5-star review.
5-star review
Within
of
the first-
Hustle. Oh my god, this place is so epic. Oh my god, it's like a gallery.
What?
This is insane. Dude, they gave us weed to smoke, bro. What Airbnb gives you weed to smoke? They write the quantity of THC and CBD.
This is the 1% right here. This is
So
the going...
it's actually not true weed. It's more CBD. It's hemp flour. So
Oh
it
my
might get you.
god.
This is fucking amazing.
We got kicked out of our last Airbnb, which is why we had to look for one last minute for ceremony.
Please enjoy the complimentary snacks.
Amazing.
And we were just talking about the gemstones and producing
Incredible.
light
Yep.
with the documentary
Yep.
and the wheel and all.
Dude.
Dude, there's no way this could have possibly happened. Hold on. Am I?
This is so green.
So cool.
This is so cool.
We got ceremony space set up and Gabe making his vlog.
Inspiring each other.
Yeah. Wow, 3D Sri Yantra.
Get the giant pine cone.
Here is papers for scale.
Here's
Here's my camera for scale. Look how giant this pine cone is. Alright, here's my head for scale. Look how giant these pine cones.
Thanks for doing that. That makes it easier to see how big it is. I'm here outside of this amazing Airbnb that we got. And honestly, I haven't been very good about filming this vlog for you because I've just been so engaged with life and experiencing it. I'm actually learning. I'm here with Gabe, and he's an amazing videographer and filmmaker that has inspired me to actually start doing more of these videos and learn so much about how to just like take more videos and make this entire experience that I live more a part of what you guys get to watch. So I wanted to share with you, I had a ceremony last night, and in this ceremony, it was so beautiful how it was so clear about our connection to nature and this essence of connecting to nature. And naturally, when we live in harmony with nature, in a frequency and in allowing, there is just an ease and a grace and a joy to experiencing life that is just so natural. And it's amazing that the ancients, the same ones who have experienced like having an enlightened race or group of beings, have witnessed what it takes to just be in pure connection with spirit in every moment and the infinite potential of creation, and to just be in harmony with each other and not have any conflict or need for more that other than what they have. And there was just such a peace with existence that they lived in. And it was such a powerful lesson last night in how the same information that these ancients that lived in what was known as the Golden Age is what is reawakening within all of us. It's the information that we're literally receiving into our cells, into our bodies when we do this ceremony work. And I led this ceremony for two amazing brothers in order to facilitate what I saw as a powerful connection and creation. And because this is what I love to do, just share medicine and share this path of healing, awakening, remembering that the plants have been placed here to teach us. And thank you so much for joining me in this video. Learn more about me, what we've created, and our gift to the world in the link in the description. And I'll see you in another one of my next videos. I'll get better at filming more with you guys, but I hope you enjoyed what I showed today, and I'll see you again in my next one. Thank you so much. Comment, like, subscribe, and I just send so much love. Until next time.